What's our secret for the best way to get prescription lenses? Lensabl.com. I've been wearing glasses for years, so I totally get it. I know how inconvenient it is if I scratch a lens or my prescription changes. With Lensabl, I can get new lenses put in any frames I own. Whether it's my go-to glasses I've had for years, cool vintage frames I scored at a boutique, or a brand new pair I bought online. No matter the frames, Lensabl has me covered with any lenses I need. The best part is I'm able to order without having to schedule an appointment with my eye doctor or even drive to the store. Lensabl is super easy and they offer as many lenses as you can imagine. I can get prescription lenses in clear, sunglasses, blue light blocking, even those cool transitions. They really simplify the whole process. Once I order, Lensabl sends me a box to ship them my frames, and they even cover shipping both ways. In about a week, I get them back safe and secure and completely refreshed with my brand new lenses. And because their pricing is so affordable, I can get new lenses for multiple pairs. P.S. I'm totally surprising John. I had new prescription sunglass lenses put into his favorite frames. He's going to love it. Get the lenses you need in your own frames without leaving home at Lensabl.com.